So if you want to remove forgotten password, PIN or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, locate your USB-C cable, right? Make sure to plug in one part of it to your laptop or computer and the second one to your phone. Now let's grab it and let's plug it in right into our charging port. Now we will need these three buttons: power button, volume down button, and volume up button. So first of all, let's hold our power button and volume down button simultaneously. So keep on holding them until your screen will go dark. When it will go dark, change your finger from volume down button to your volume up button and hold them simultaneously. Great. Here, simply use your volume down and volume up buttons in order to navigate and locate your wipe data/factory reset. Press power button to make a choice. Choose your factory data reset, make a choice, and that's it. Now let's press reboot system now, and you are done. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.